all know how profitable future trading is. Now in this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grab that profit with the help of Zibit.com. But before that, understand four factors: margin, leverage, types of orders, and opening and closing of position. Margin. There are two types: cross and isolated. Cross margin will keep your trade active even after you have completely lost your investment by using your available balance. Isolated margin will close your trade once your investment is completely gone in the market. It will not keep you active and it will not use the available balance. Next come leverage. As you all know this one thing, even with the small capital, you can open the bigger trade for getting bigger profit with the help of leverage. Leverage is basically borrowing money from the market, which you can pick how much you want to borrow. You want to borrow 10x, 20, 30, 40 or up to 175x of leverage you can pick. But pick leverage wisely. You can gain bigger profit with leverage, but at the same time, you also can face a huge loss with the help of leverage. Okay. Next come is types of order. As you all know, three types: limit, market, trigger. Limit order is basically my preference that I don't want to enter at market price, but I want to enter at price which I have decided for myself. That is limit order. Market order is basically whatever price a market is giving to you, at that price only you can do either buy or the sell. Trigger order is very similar to the limit, but it opens for a little bargain. For example, if your market is at $1 and you have picked your price that I maybe want to enter at 0.5, with the help of trigger, what you can do is trigger will find the best trade nearby that price, not the exact price, nearby that price. Okay. After that is opening and closing of position. As you can see, open. If you decide open long, that means you are predicting the price can go up. If you're deciding open short, that means you are predicting the price can go down. Let me show you how to open a trade. For example, let's open at market price 64%. Open long. It will show you this XYZ thing. Oh, wait a second. Let's decide 14. Market price. Open long. Market has opened. After that, you can see my trade is active. My PNL you can see over here. PNL means profit and loss in USDT. If it is green, that means you are having profit. If it's red, that means you are having loss. And how to close the trade now? There are two options. One, you can do it from above. If you have open long, then close long over here. Other thing which you can do is by adding TP and SL. TP is take profit. When the price comes to your approximate price where you are satisfied with the profit, you can type over here the market price and that trade will be closed once it hit that amount of profit. And SL is maximum loss, how much you can bear, $1, $2. Once the market gives you $1 or $2 loss, the trade will be closed and you will be thrown out of the market. Or other thing is you can simply tap on the close and confirm and close my trade. Confirm. That's it. It is that simple. So why wait? Earn your bigger profit at a Zibit.com in the future trading now.